everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to upload full-length videos in Facebook Story. Typically when you try to upload Facebook Stories from Facebook application, you can upload maximum 20-second video. But the method we will teach you can upload full-length videos very easily. For this method you don't have to use Facebook application. You have to open Facebook Messenger. And then you have to open any of your friend chat, and then you have to click on this photos icon. From here you have to select the full length video that you want to upload. We'll select this one, and then you have to click on edit. And now you can add text, emojis, whatever you want to add to this video, and then you have to click on your story. Click on OK, click on add. Here you can see added to your story. Now you have to open Facebook application. You have to refresh and your Facebook story will appear here. You have to click on your story. Here you can see the full length video is running on our Facebook story. For this method you don't have to use Facebook application. You have to open Facebook Messenger. So in the same way you can also upload full-length videos on Facebook Story. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.